Hey, we're going to have a go with the open E minor scale, ascending and descending. So this one played off the top string, you can actually get nice and quick, and it's fantastic to do runs on. So look, we'll dive into it. So we've got O, 2, 3 on the top string, O, 2, 3, the A, then O, 2. Now here we can have our turnaround point being the G. Okay, so kind of cool. Now, only problem is it's not actually the next note in the scale. So as fun as that might sound, now we're going to go up to the 4th fret. So just thought I'd slip that one in, have a play with it just for the fun of it. But that's the correct way. So let's go O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2, 4, and back, 2, O, 3, 2, O, 3, 2, O. All right. O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2, 4. 2, O, 3, 2, O, 3, 2, O. Okay. Go again, and I won't call out the fret numbers. Two, 3, 4. Two, 3, 4. All right, speed it up a touch. Awesome. Now, I did say there's a couple of really cool runs in this, and there certainly is. So you've got your all right, mucking around back and forth, but definitely getting this nice descending run. So that's what we're looking for. Really nice. So from that 9th, just running backwards. Now, go a bit slower. So we'll get a couple of nice quick runs on this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll run up. 4. Now, let's get a bit of speed on it. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Alright, that's getting pretty blistering, and just for a super challenge, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. See if you can get that one. Alright, that's getting really fast. Now, don't be worried if you can't get there. That will take some practice. Certainly hope it does, because it took me enough. Now, have a go, and I'll see you in the next lesson.